Okay folks, we're just going to carry on with these swim tanks now. So we've got that one tacked up with the ferrules tacked in. So it sits in the boat, that's going to be the open end near the pointy end. This end's going to fit up to that bulkhead, but I'm going to weld another plate in front of it in this area. And then I've got the ferrules in for the flow, so the hot water goes in there, flows around there, along the baffle, drops down and comes out the bottom one. So as you can see, so the flows from that end across this top bit, drops down here. I'm going to cut a bit more of that off because I think it could be too restricted that. So I'm going to put a bit bigger opening on there, and then that snugs up to the swim, the curvature of the swim. So I'm going to weld this up, and then we'll weld the plate on there up to the bulkhead for that end, and then this can go in. We'll weld it up, and that's that one done. So we'll weld these ferrules in first. That's the first one in. Got the root on the inside of it. And I'll do the other one, and then the other side. Right, so that's that edge welded up. We'll flip it over and do the internals. Right, that's that welded up now. The baffle's in, that's on a stitched. We don't need to fully weld that. The two sockets are in there, welded in, and this end's welded in. So we'll just get a clean up, and then we can start having a look in the boat, fitting it. This skin tank's going on there, and it's going to butt up to that bulkhead. And that'll be the back of it, but just to reinforce that a little bit, it's probably fine as it is, but just a bit of belt and braces. I'm going to put another plate, I'm going to weld a plate up there so it's sealed, and then that will butt up to that. And I've also forgot something, I've not put the breather bugs on top of here, so I've got them to drill and weld on first, I forgot. That's it now, it's got another 6mm piece of flat bar on it here. So it's like 9mm, no sorry that's 5mm. Nearly 10mm thickness there now on the end, so it'll stiffen it all up, just to be on the safe side really. Right, I need to get that other ferrule on. Right, got that socket welded in now, foot breather on that skin tank. So I'm going to start getting it welded in. We're going to weld that strengthening piece up first, and then we'll get the main tank in and weld it up. You still there? Right, I've got that in now at that end. I just hold that up, put a chalk line right on top of it. I'm just going to move this away and grind the mill scale off the top of that because we don't want that in weld. Right, there we are folks, we're all cleaned up. Put the breather vent on there, or the elbow for it, and then it's only for when you're filling it to let the air out. We'll just put a blank on the top, or maybe a little valve or something, I don't know. I think a blank will do, it's only when you fill it that you use it. So we're all ready now to go. We'll tack it all in, get it all snugged up and welded. So let's get it done. Right, last weld now, vertical there, now we're going home. Right, that's it folks, one skin tank welded in. Sure how long that took, what, 40 minutes or something, good half an hour at least. So at least one's in there, thank goodness for that. I'll have a quick look. There we have it, fully welded up, breather. Two stabs there where the pipes will connect to, top one in from the engine, bottom one out from that tank and across to the tank on the opposite side. Around that, back up the engine, and that's it. That's one skin tank in. So that's it for today folks. It's about 4 o'clock I think, Saturday afternoon. We're going to have a look at football results, so maybe get a beer, eh? So anyway, I hope you're enjoying this vlog. That concludes it for skin tanks. We'll not bother showing the other one, that's one in. So I'll just crack on and do the next one, and then the next thing in here we'll be putting the engine bed in, the bearers for the engine. So if you want to see that, why not like and subscribe. See y'all, ta-ra!